Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Profit maximization depends on marginal costs and revenue. Let's find which factor here does not change the firm's optimal output level. First, remember that a firm maximizes profit by producing where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. This rule determines the quantity of output, so we must look for factors affecting these specific values. Fixed costs, like the price of land mentioned in the problem, do not change with the level of production. Therefore, they have no impact on marginal cost or the final output decision. Since neither marginal revenue nor marginal cost shifts when land prices change, the profit-maximizing quantity stays exactly the same. That makes option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust the information, and check your steps.